Alright everyone, today I just got my new air rifle. It's a Hatsan. This is powered by Vortex. So let's open this box. That's how it comes. It does come with a scope. Looks like the mounting hardware is already on it. And there it is. No Allen wrench. Doesn't look like a very expensive scope or anything, but feels nice. Got some zoom up in there. You got your instruction manual. Your big yellow safety card. And the rifle. Let's pull this aside. And here it is. Some nice wood. Hard rubber buttstock. Wood checkering. Your safety. And the sights. That's how it looks. Alright. Now, to load this rifle, just cock it all the way back. Automatically does the safety. And put a BB in. Just lock it back up. And it's in fire safety mode. Today we're firing the SIG Air hollow points. Now we're loaded. It's in fire mode. I'm gonna shoot those little cans. Assuming I can aim this thing. Very difficult with the phone, but easy to aim.